Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are well. So, children, today I am with the same chapter, that is chapter 7, subtraction, and and with the next topic, that is subtraction of a one digit number and from a two digit numbers with borrowing. So, let's understand the subtraction with borrowing. Okay? So, see the example. See, suppose you have 40 and in this you have to minus 4. So how will you subtract? Because see, here is 0. So what we have to do? We have to borrow one digit from 4, and it when we have borrowed from 4, it's become 10 and 4 becomes 3. Okay? So now it's possible to subtract? Yes, because the upper number is bigger as the lower number. That means 4. So minus from 10 to 4, 10 to 4. Minus it. So that what we are getting here? 6. Okay? Then 3 is as it is, we will write here. Okay? Like that we have to do the exercise also. So let's do the exercise on page number 63. So let's do the exercise on page number 63. See the first exercise, 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Then this 4 is also came down. Okay, as this is the simplest one. Then see the next one, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, what? 3. Then 5 is okay. Now see the next one, 8 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract from 8 to 9? No, because 8 is smaller than 9. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from 9. So 8 will borrow from 9 and it become 18, and 9 will become 8. So 18 minus, now we are able to subtract 9 from 18. So 19 minus 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9, what we will get? 9. Then 8 we will write here as it is. Okay. See the next one is also the borrowing one. 5 is bigger than the 4. So what we have to do? We will borrow from 2. It's become 14 and 2 will become 1. So 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, 9. And 1 will write here as it is. Next, 3 minus 5. 3 is smaller than 5. So it is possible to subtract? No. So what we have to do? We will borrow from 6. It's become 13 and 6 become 5. So minus, then it's possible? Yes. Subtracted 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, 8. And here 5, 58. Now see the next one, 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7. It is possible? No. Because 6 is smaller than 7. So what we have to do? We will borrow from 1. 1 will become 0 and 6 will become 16. Now it is possible to subtract 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7, 9. And 0 will write here as it is. Okay, like that you have to do in your maths book on page number 63. Now we will discuss the next one, that is subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. In this we are subtracting with one-digit numbers, and next topic we are discussing with two-digit numbers. So let's do the exercise. Now the next exercise is on page number 65, subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. Okay, in the previous topic, what we have discussed subtraction of one-digit numbers from two-digit numbers with borrowing, and in this we are going to discuss subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. So subtracted. See the first one, 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract? No, because 4 is smaller than 5. So what we will do? We will borrow from 8 and it become 14, and 8 will become 7. Now subtract 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, 9, and 7 minus 4. Now it become 7. So we will subtract from 7. So 7 minus 4, 3. Okay, like that you have to do the rest exercises, rest all questions. Okay, see the next one, 4 minus 2. It is possible to subtract 4 from 2? No, because 2 is smaller than 4. So what we will do? We will borrow from 9, and 2 will become 12 and 9 will become 8. So subtract it now. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. Then 9. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Okay. Next one. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. So what we will do? We will borrow from 7. It becomes 13 and 7 will become 6. Okay. Now 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, 7. 6 minus 2, 4. So all total we are getting 47. Now the next one is 4 minus 7. 4 is smaller than 7, so that is not possible to subtract 7 from 4. So what we will do? We will borrow from 8 and it become 4 become 14 and 8 becomes 7. So subtract 14 from subtract 7 from 14. It is possible. So what we will do? What we are getting here? 7. 14 minus 7, 7. And 7 minus 3, 4. Okay. Like that you have to do. Next one, 5 minus 6. 5 is smaller than 6. So we will borrow from 7. It becomes 15 and 7 becomes 6. 15 minus 6, 9. And 6 minus 4, 2. Next, 4 minus 5. 4 is smaller than 5. So we will borrow from 6. It's become 14 and 6 become 5. 14 minus 5, 9. And 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, rest you have to do in your maths book itself. Now we will solve the word problem, that is on page number 66. So see the first one. Now see the first one. Manisha has a book of 92 pages to read. She has already read 68 pages so far. How many more pages does she need to read to complete the book? So what we have to do here? See, Manisha She has a book of page 92 and she has read 68. Now what we will do? We will subtract 68 from 92. So subtracted 8 from 2. It is possible? No, because 2 is smaller than 8. So we will borrow from 9. It becomes 12. 12 minus 8. What we will get? 4. And 9 will become 8. So 8 minus 6. 2. So total hence she has to read 24 more pages to complete her book. Okay. Now the next one, second question. There are 4 butterflies. 3 of them fly away. How many butterflies are left? So 14 butterflies. So and 3 are fly away. So subtract it first. 4 minus 3, 1 and 1. That means how many butterflies are left? 11 butterflies are left. Okay. Now the next, third one. Now third one, Raju has 14 toffees. He distributes. Raju has 17 toffees. He distributes 6 toffees to her friends. How many toffees does he have now? That means Raju has 17 toffees and he distributed 6 toffees to her friends. To his friends. Now how many toffees does he have now? So subtract it. 7 minus 6, 1 and 1. That means he has 11 toffees with him. The next number 4. Ritu has 8 pairs of jeans. She gives 2 pairs to a poor child. How many pairs of jeans does she have now? Subtracted. That means Ritu has 8 pairs of jeans and she has given 2 pairs of jeans to the poor children. So 8 minus 2, 6. That means she has 6 pairs of jeans with herself. Okay. Now that's all for today. Rest 5, 6th and 7th. These 3 word problems you have to do in your maths book itself. Okay. So your today's homework on page number 65 and on page number 66. These both exercise is your homework. So we have completed our chapter 7 also. Now we will discuss the next chapter, that is chapter 8. Keep counting in the next class. So bye and thank you.